Bitch. After all of me do for her, this is how she repay me? This is how she show her appreciation for everything I do for her? Trust me, she not get away with this. Remember me tell you that, savage. She not going to live this down.
No. You know how I work. And I already discussed with you the fact that I ain't turning back. No stone unturned. No exception to anybody, including your wife.
Do what you have to do. No matter to me at this point. Just make sure so none of this not come back to haunt us.
Haunt us? I mean haunt you. Me used to duppy, you know. And me make them all the time. But there's no turning back now.
Just do what you need for do. Just make sure some girls gonna get harmed.
Alright, boss.
Oh, Savage. Check your call.
Pleasure doing business with you.
Just let me know when everything's done.
For sure. Well, go on, man. You like you seen a ghost.
Me not make him yet.
Good luck with that.
I'll be seeing you, Savage.
Why are you here? You still work here? Not enough time for you and your jokes, Marcus. I come to find out what's happening with Tiffany. Because you and your wife is a real piece of work. So Michelle don't want Miss Brissett on the case. So you pull a little political strings to get her off. You always think the worst of me, don't it? Why you think me have nothing to do with it? She's off the case because Michelle just didn't want her on the case, I assume. I'm not for doing me.
You think me an idiot, don't? Michelle not have the power to get her off of the case. Only you could have done that.
Was that a compliment? Saying that I'm powerful? Thank you. But what you come for find out about? I have nothing to do with you, Carlton. You can't just walk in our life 4 months and think you can entitled to all information and gain full access. Carlton, you're a sperm donor, not a father. 18 years me in our life. So you have to just wait it out, brother, until me feel like give some information. I'll let you know what's going on.